Chairman of Chairmen will talk to you. So who will come out with you?
We wish you fruitful day.
Yeah, let's go.
I feel like I'm in America. You know?
This place to Trump and Vance.
I don't need to use it.
Trump.
Where is the man?
Shit, eh? You must be. Hi. Laji en timi en suru laji.
Síwájú ńbẹ̀ kò sáyé.
I swear, I don't know why they can't show.
Wetin dey show?
Alaja ni sùn. Òun náà ní sẹ́ ẹ ti sún kìíní yẹn ni náà.
Wọ́n sún.
Ẹ gbé mi balance dára.
Ṣé mo kó bẹ́ẹ̀ tí mo gbọ́n ní? Bóyá wọ́n yẹ lọ tò sí sáìdì bíbà wọ́n ní because ló wà lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ ibà. Ẹ̀ka àgbà wa ń bẹ̀ àṣáìdì. Lọ́dọ̀ wọlé. Gbogbo ẹ̀rọ akẹ́kọ̀ọ́.
Ẹ kọ́ ṣókìlátọ̀ yẹn, ẹ ṣókìlátọ̀ yẹn.
Ìgbà àwọn tó yẹ kó wá sí ìwọ ni kò fún ọ la. Báwo mo ti máa ẹ̀ ń tẹ́wà lọ́nà ẹ̀kan sí. Yóò wà lè fi sí ìwà sọ fún mi tẹ́rẹ̀ kẹ́kẹ́. Báwo? Gbogbo ní ẹ̀bà àwọn kò bá wà sáìdì bẹ̀ wá sáìdì bẹ̀.
Are we set? We're set. Yeah, we're set.
Come moving now.
That's why I was giving the speech. Are we set? Are we set? Come in. Hold on, wait for the second time, please. Let's move. Hold it now. Okay. Go ahead. The press. Today, you can see the forum of the state chairman of the PDP here in the Oyo State Lodge, paying a courtesy call on His Excellency, the Governor of Oyo State. We decided to pay him a courtesy call because of the fantastic role he's playing to stabilize this party. We came to acknowledge and to thank him for what he's doing for the party. We drew his attention to the fact that no matter the upheavals, we have prayed and wished him that God in His infinite mercies will continue to protect, guide, and give him wisdom to do what he's doing for the party. Most importantly, this struggle, this fight that we are seeing within the party, is not a fight between or within the PDP per se. It's a fight between darkness and light. It's a fight about the future of this country. It's a fight about democracy in its essence. What the other people want to do is to crumble PDP, to make sure that APC has a free ride in 2027. What we are saying as state chairman, and we came to tell our leader, the governor for your state, is that we are with him and the governors and the National Working Committee to be on the right side of history, to be with those that believe that light has to come to this country, to believe that, to agree that the evil plans of those that want this state, this country to remain where it is, will never materialize. So we had a very fruitful discussion. We expressed our deep support for what he's doing, and we prayed that God will continue to guide and protect him. Of course, as usual with him, he also said he supports what we are doing, and he encouraged us to continue to do what we are doing. Thank you very much, and may God bless you. Yes.
Thank you for having us inside and more transparency. But I would like to know, my name is Lumino from Vanguard Newspaper. I would like to know what efforts your forum is making to reconcile and bring state chairman of Imo and Abia State to whom this was
well, we believe that just as we told when we had a meeting with the National Working Committee, that we support the point made yesterday by the BOT that a reconciliation committee was set up to reach out to the agreed members of the party. We think that giving them that support, supporting that idea of reconciliation shows what we think on this end, that the door to reconciliation can never be closed. Those guys are our friends, they are brothers. We will continue to regard them as friends and brothers as far as the convention is held in Ibadan on the 15th and 17th of this month. 15th and 16th of this month. Every other thing can be discussed. We are open for that, and we are ready to give all the support that needs to be given for that reconciliation to take place. Thank you.
Ọgbà ẹgbẹ́ fìlà kò.
Thank you.